everyone from the place. Come on to the rain, I will smile when I say I walk down with a hand.
This is one of my last moments in Las Vegas. I just saw Imagine Dragons, and now I'm sitting in traffic on the Strip. Forgot my new cool glasses, so I have to wear these goofy ones, but I thought it was quite fitting had I been moving to Seattle, singing in the rain. Here's the lovely traffic, always, on Las Vegas Boulevard. I kind of miss Las Vegas already. I'm still here, and I feel like I never really took advantage of the city. I mean, I didn't really do too much. Goodbye, Las Vegas.